Who here has just tasted a lemon? You just bitten a little bit out of a lemon. What does it taste like?
Sour.
Sour, right? Anybody else? Hold on to the litmus paper and watch what color it turns.
Orange, blue, and
So this is
green.
laundry soap, right? So the laundry soap.
We would almost think that our wallet is going up in flames. Wow. In DC, we have access to the DC College Tag Program. And it pays up to $10,000 a year, cumulative award amount $50,000 for those who are attending a public four-year institution. College ain't cheap, y'all.
I am the, how's the best way to put this? I am an astronomer, but my astronomy is a little bit different than most other people's astronomy. Unfortunately, as an astronomer, I can't go to the nearest star. I mean, I could, but it'd be like millions or thousands, hundreds of millions, and they're hoping that they can get a space-based telescope, like the Webb, James Webb, yeah, there's one of them, okay, a couple other ones up there, to look at these planets around other stars and be able to tell if there's aliens of any kind, okay?
Now, today, not very many people know Morse code, but years ago, we had something called the telegraph industry here in this country. We had wired up the whole country so that if you wanted to send a message quickly to somebody here from Washington, D.C., let's say to Chicago or Los Angeles, so let me turn this on here. Okay, so I'm going to have a long and two shorts. That's the letter B. An R is a short, a long, and a short. That's an R. I is two shorts. That's an I. So Brian would sound like this. In fact, the transistors inside a microprocessor are so tiny that you need an incredibly powerful microscope to even see them. So if you have a laptop computer, your microprocessor may have, I don't know, 70 million transistors.
But for me, I want to do first example. It's just like a big area. Like, I don't know how to get specific. Like,
I'm gonna tell you, there is no specifics until you're in it. So, what I mean by that is, to get to a level of specificity with any field, you have to study it broad.
College is really more about coverage, exposure, and relevance, right? You will expose yourself to a lot of different fields, a lot of different interests, so you get a lot of surface, right? Grad school is when you specialize, you go more in depth, okay?
Go and get into the teacher spaces because they know about it, and they can give you that information, but you have to ask for it.
I would say something else, like if you maybe don't have the opportunity to do enrichment programs, I'm not sure if Zoom, does anybody know show Zoom? Decided to? No, you guys don't. Okay, well, I think that they still air it on PBS, and you know, everybody has PBS and we have a television. So they do like a lot of experiments. There's, you know, books. When I was younger, I had like 100 experiments to do like in your kitchen. So it shows you different aspects.
Our cars, you know, again, release pollution that can impact the health of the river stream. So I think you can start just by working these groups and also starting your own club or participating in the club where you do, even the Girl Scouts, I mean, cover the environmental stuff as well. Because the work that I do is about, really it is about affecting social change.
STEM careers, I would say that graduating from Howard in May, I had 2 job offers, and you know, like, obviously that's a blessing.
You know, what we've been talking about today and just different avenues or ways to kind of get to those end degrees. And we've been talking about college on a very like basic kind of things and tools you might need to pursue to get to the end level.